So which one we taking today, Brody? Which one will it be?
We're gonna take Lamborghini, bro.
Queen, you can't get that, baby. That ain't mine. So we're going to get up in the Red Weezy. We're going to start that thing up, man. And it is time to go, man. Make sure you go subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel, ASAP. You know, because I could take the Hellcat if I wanted to. Just so you know, because I do got that thing now. Ooh, that's crazy, man. Make sure you follow your boy on Instagram, Snapchat, subscribe, watch the video, and follow me on Facebook. Come on, baby. She hops up in there now, Jamie. I don't know why you acting scared. Okay, come on. It's cut off now. There you go. Come on. Come on. Get up there. She jumps up now by herself, Jeremy. Every time. Come on, girl. Don't embarrass me now. I didn't put you on. I said it. Come on. Come on, baby. There you go. Damn. No, I'm not helping you. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You'll make Jeremy miss his flight. Let's go. Queen, get your lazy ass up there. There you go. Good girl. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Good girl. Look, she did it all by herself, Jeremy. She usually just jumps. It's just early in the morning. I know, baby, you tired. We got big shit planned for you. That bloody cat thing. Make sure y'all subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. And y'all know all the social medias that I was telling you about right here. But let's hop up in there, man. What you say, bro?
She's looking for you.
Oh, you looking for Papa, baby?
Papa.
Oh, yeah.
I'm good now. She don't want shit to do with me. She's like, where you at?
I know, right? Who this nigga is? You United Premier, brother, or you broke nigga? You just United?
Big, basic, United.
Oh, damn. Okay, brother. Well, let me take you up here with the regular motherfucker there. With the regular pole folks like myself. Well, I'm over here stunned in front. I fly Spirit every time. I fly first class, though. I'm on Spirit, though. Would you rather be regular United or first class Spirit?
Yeah, fuck Spirit.
Oh, damn. Yeah, they got to go ahead and cut me a check. How you feeling, dog?
I'm doing good. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, my man. I appreciate it. What's your name, man?
My name is Warren G.
Regulators! Mount up.
I'm literally saving for a scat pack right now.
For real?
Literally saving for a scat pack.
What kind of scat pack? You want to go? I just seen a scat pack the other day. White, wide body with a Hellcat hood.
Man, like, I really like the hoods on them.
Yep.
I don't like the older style because it's old. So
Right.
I'd rather get the new one.
Of course. I don't like the old shit either. I mean, it's still legendary.
Yeah, it's still legendary.
Yeah, for sure.
I love the 392 engine. I love that engine.
You can't go wrong.
I've been dreaming for this car for 10 years.
Right.
So I'm finally able to save up for it. So hopefully this summer.
Okay.
This summer.
Hey, you get it,
I
man.
a bunch of Hellcat too, man.
Man, listen, everything happened for a reason, man. You
I
know
was
what I mean?
literally watching you, showing my mom the video yesterday about you totaling it out.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
Well, I appreciate you, my guy. You want to get a picture, man?
Sure.
Come on, let's do it. We are in a tunnel right now. Oh, look. Got some roar on the Red Breezy, don't it? Ooh, it ain't like the Hellcat, y'all, but listen, man, we got to work with what we got. I do got a Hellcat in the garage. I got the bloody cat up in there, man, but my brother, the life of Jeremy Barrett, man, he has left me, man. I'm back to being lonely with just my baby queen right there. It's okay, baby. It's just me and you, baby. It's me and you. And shout out to everyone, all the G Squad out there who know they true, pure G Squad. You know what I mean? They always showing love. They always follow on all social media platforms. And they're always supporting everybody who I got any sort of in business endeavors with, man. I greatly appreciate it. The support goes longer than y'all will ever know, man. And I promise you that means more to me, to the core of me, and to my heart than y'all will ever know, man. And y'all know I tell y'all that all the time, and like I said, I'll never stop saying it, man. No matter how big I get, no matter how much money I make. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on today, man. And it's just me and my queen baby, or me and my baby queen right now, man. But just stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all gonna like the videos to come. I got big content coming for the Hellcat. Some of y'all have kind of guessed in the comments from the previous video before, but you know, not too many. So for the people who kind of already been dropping the comments, and I see the ones where it's like, okay, yeah, they know what I'm up to. Listen, y'all correct. But if you in the loop, you in the loop. If you ain't, then hey, I don't know what to tell you, baby. Just stay tuned for all the stuff coming our way, and don't skip no ads on this video. I would greatly appreciate it, baby. So G Squad, I'm kind of having a little bit of a pickle here. You hear that with the verbiage? I'm having a little bit of a pickle here. I'm real indecisive right now today, man, because I don't know which one I want to take. The Hellcat, pardon me, the Bloody Cat, soon to be something like the Hellcat. Just stay tuned for it. You got a little jibbly little hint right there, man. And you see the Ram Breezy looking extra greasy. We got both of them. Which one should we take? I don't know. Psych, I'm just kidding. We're taking the bloody cat. Is that even a real question, man? Come on. All right, G Squad, so we just got done doing a little grocery shopping. You know, got Queen a new bed for her to chill on right there. Let's move these boxes so I can show y'all what I got for the meal prep. We got turkey. We got some wild caught salmon. Yeah, I even said that right. We got some bananas, strawberry spinach, some organic chicken breast, some kiwi, pistachios, big thing of avocados, organic applesauce. Baby, well, you gotta keep that booty clean, baby. Can't get messy. And this is the one unhealthy thing that I can't stay away from, man. Oh yeah, let's not forget we got that young Melody joint with mussels, scallop, shrimp, squid, calamari, or whatever, all that stuff. Now we got everything all put away, man. So now we are good to go. Shut that trunk and let's go get gas. And I got a super light type, bogus type, not even really a meal prep, but just some, you know, just a snack on right now while I'm moving and grooving y'all sideway. You know, you gotta fuel your body the right way. Look at the old Stingray move, man. But let's go ahead and start the bloody cat. Sound good, baby. Won't sound like that for long. So we just finished the meal prep and here we go. Is that thing on full? Does it got 200 on the dash? I believe so, baby. Queen Hill had to come home, y'all. Oh, that was a bad almost. Oh, let me hit that button. I'm sorry, baby. Queen Hill, come on. Sit. Come on. Good girl down. Good girl, baby. Yeah, you good, baby. She always like laying on that floor because it's nice and cold. Now we about to head out. Queen went outside and all that good stuff. And I know I was wrong. I called that the FF. That's the F12. Man, I don't know. I could be wrong again, man. Y'all let me know, man. Hey, or actually, you know what? Don't let me know because I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? But now we about to start the bloody cat. And we're gonna get up out of here, man. My brother's YouTube channel is in the description below. Make sure you click that link and subscribe to his channel, baby. See y'all in a minute.
What's up, man? G Squad, Dre right here.
Already? That's like our 5th time shaking hands, you know what I mean?
For real, man. Hey, I had to make it official on camera. It ain't official if y'all didn't see.
Hey, do everybody do the fist bump or is it just tight? Or is it the niggas don't do the fist bump, do they?
Most
Oh, okay, there we go. That's what I was saying. But I've been around a different kind of population.
Yeah.
I'm downtown, brother. You know what I mean? But tell me what you happened. You was riding your damn Uber.
Uber, hopped out the Uber, man, seen the bloody cat, had to show.
Damn, goddamn, you know what I mean?
It's a small world out here, guys.
For sure.
God wanted me to see this nigga.
And he came to my meet and greet before in LA.
Yep.
That's what's up.
Bloody cat, Ram Reeves, y'all.
Oh shit, you ain't, oh,
Cut that out. Cut
yo,
that out.
Yo. Big embarrassing. No, I gotta keep that in there. That's damn. That's Mega Rose. Yo, did you break your screen?
Nope.
Okay, it was okay. I see a slight tight.
Like that in
All right, brother, cause I seen one at the top, brother. Shit, goddamn, that fucking me hurt my heart. You know what I mean? Well, I appreciate you, man. Good seeing you, man.
Let me get some footage of you starting this motherfucker up and shit.
Okay, yeah. You want to shout your Instagram or anything on there, bro?
Dre the Gearhead on Instagram, DreDag1234T on Snapchat, and yeah, that's about it, man. I don't do Twitter and none of that other shit. So.
All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you. Yo, listen, man, I want to give a big shout out to that G Squad subscriber right there, man. Real cool ass legendary nigga, man. Like, he told me, like, I'm not gonna tell y'all everything we talked about, man, because there's some stuff like I always tell y'all, the best moments caught off camera are always the best moments, period, like with the G Squad, man. And it's crazy, like, I was able to capture some of that on camera, but he's been in my meet and greet before in LA, man. And it's just pure every single time, man. And he told me that how I rock with Nipsey, that's how he rock with me. Like, what? Like, that's crazy. Like, that nigga from Compton, he live in Compton. I ain't going past that though, but I'm just gonna tell y'all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, and he like, man, I rock with you like that. Like, you know what I mean? Never heard the victory lap until, you know what I'm saying? He's seen it, you know, on my Instagram when I was posting it when it first dropped and all that. Like, man, big time shout out to you, man. I told him, and I kept it all the way pure with him, man, that it moves me and it touches my heart. To the core of me, man, because a lot of people have been coming up to me saying that when I've been here in LA. It's like, man, I rock with you like how you rock with Nipsey. They don't say I rock with you like how I rock with Nipsey. They say I rock with you like how you rocked with Nipsey. Is you crazy? Like, you know how I looked at Nipsey? Y'all looked at him like an iconic mogul of a nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, big time legendary in the history of mankind, one of the realest ever walked this earth. And people are coming up to me saying, I rock with you how you rock with Nipsey. Hey, listen here, man. Him and all the other G Squad, they know who all them people are. that have come up to me and they've said that and they're watching my videos because they've been pure G Squad, and I know they in the loop because I can always tell in the dialect and how they talk to me in the verbiage, man, when I see if a person just watches every now and again, or if they consuming and watching every last video and hearing all the little giblets I'm dropping in every last video, man, because it shows when I see them, like, how they talk, you know what I mean, how they conduct themselves, what they're saying, and what they've seen in my videos. Like, man, listen here, man, I've had so many people come up to me saying that, and to be in LA, listen, understand this, I can see if I was in Minnesota and people are coming to me like, hey man, I rock with you like how you rock with Nipsey. It's like, oh man, I appreciate that, like, but that's still pure, some real pure shit. But to be in LA, Nipsey's home, and they're saying, listen man, some of them are saying, I didn't hear about Nipsey until you started banging Nipsey. I didn't rock with Nipsey like that until you started rocking with Nipsey, and you were vocally showing that. Like, so let's get a full understanding, like the magnitude of that shit. Like, that stuff is very real. I'm typing embarrassing myself looking for my keys. You know, I'm at the crib now. To the gate, gotta lift that thing up, man. Get up in that thing. Big secure, man. Come on, I need all that. Because I know what type of niggas is out there now. I used to be one of them now. With big cameras and security all around this motherfucker, but the niggas who look at me trying to plot. But to be in LA, man, and have people saying that to me is a real big thing. That's the radar. Don't worry about nothing. But that's a real big thing to me, man. And that's just what I'm getting to. Like, wow, in LA, people saying, I rock with you how you rock with Nipsey, man. There's no better compliment than that to me, man, because it was Pac and there's Nipsey, and they're right neck and neck with each other, man. And honestly, to keep it all the way a buck with y'all, Nipsey actually was more in the mix, you know what I mean, to keep it all the way pure. But, you know, I could never put Nipsey over Pac or Pac over Nipsey because, you know what I'm saying, Pac is what birthed Nipsey, and Nipsey looked up to him for fuel and inspiration and motivation. And now people say they look at me like that. Like, listen, man, that touches my heart to the complete core of me. I'm gonna be all the way honest with y'all, man. But I'm about to bag the bloody cat in, man, and I gotta bring all these groceries and other stuff upstairs because I had to stop, get some more pots and pans. I was just running errands when I seen them, man. So big time shout out to you, dog, man. And like I said, man, thank you for sharing that with me today. Everything that we talked about, I'm not gonna talk about that, you know, but for the stuff, you know, that I did mention in the video, you know, I really appreciate you saying that, and everything else that you mentioned to me off camera as well, man. But I'll see you in a minute, G Squad.
Look, I'm gonna talk. I got recording. It's my bad.
It's all good, man. It's a little different being on camera, ain't it?
I work right here in Sugarfish.
Oh, for real? I'm ready to come in and give me some free shit one of these days. Have a good one, man. Look at that, y'all. We got a McLaren 720S right there. Been in the block, parking that thing. That thing looks ferocious though, don't it? Them things is so diamond dust down here. Look how the door go up on that thing. That damn radar is annoying as hell. So can y'all guess where I'm at now? I am at Platinum, baby. Y'all, if y'all want to know everything that Platinum got to offer here, man, they rent out cars, they work on collision repairs, they customize cars, they do everything, man. The website link is in the description below. Make sure you click that, and make sure y'all come up here or call up here. Holla at my guy Harry. My guy Harry's gonna get it done every single time. PMLtrans.com. That's my guy Harry. I'm about to get ready to do a review on this 4x4 G-Wagon. Harry, say what's up to him, man. That damn door taller than you. Look at him. And Harry, you got a Hellcat too, bro. Tell him you just bought a new Hellcat.
I just bought a new Widebody, yeah.
See, ooh, that thing sounds good. That thing, you know, the pipes right there on the side too. But yeah, he bought a Widebody. We're gonna show you all that. He's just doing his inspections and everything right now before I take it. We got my brother, the life of Jeremy Barrett's Hellcat Charger right here with the Hellcat on the top of the moot, baby. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel as well. His Instagram link, his YouTube channel link, his everything links will be below in the description, so make sure you go there and rock with him. And what car do y'all think I should do a car review on next? Should I do the old Hummer joint? Should I do that joint they built up right there with the soft top? I don't know, man. They got the old Phantom or the new Phantom over there. They got the Rave. They got a bunch of different legendary whips here. They got the old Maybach. But yeah, they got a bunch of different cars. They rent cars, they repair cars, they do collisions, they do everything, man. So make sure you hit them up. All their info is in the description below, man. But yeah, and there goes the Ferrari 488 Spider I did a review on last time. They got the matte out, blacked out BMW. That's pretty nice. Rolls Royce Benzes. They got everything, man. And now I'm about to go ahead and drive this. My dog Harry ain't playing no games. He got this bitch slammed ASAP. Like, he just got this the other day. So at the same time, for those who don't know, same day that my Hellcat went to his death, he bought his Hellcat. And you were on the fence. Tell him, Harry, you were on the fence, weren't you?
Yeah, you convinced me. Corey convinced me. Yeah.
See what I'm saying? And now, tell me, do you have buyer's remorse or no?
Absolutely not. No regret, no.
See what I'm saying? And then the next day, he got the shit slammed. What's wrong with you, Harry? Something's got to be wrong with you, bro. And tell him what else you want to do to it.
I'm going to get some spacers. And that's it, man. I blacked out the side markers.
Oh yeah, I see it. Huh?
What do you think I should do with it?
I think you gotta go full exhaust, long tube headers.
Not in LA, no more, man. Don't get in my head.
You know you want to though, Harry.
Of course I want to, but man, the cops out here.
But the cops didn't mess with me in my car, in my Hellcat.
You weren't in LA long enough.
Oh, okay. Is that bad for real?
No.
Oh, okay.
I put my platinum plates on it.
Damn. You didn't? Oh, damn. Well, he got it slammed. And it sounds good naturally anyway. So you don't really need to do anything. And if you do anything to it, you're never going to want to go back.
I might wrap it in later on, a couple months later.
A wrap would be nice.
Satin black.
Yeah, yeah. Why satin? Come on, bro. You got to do more than satin black. It's already black, Harry. Come on, man. You can never go wrong with a black on black car. You know, and when they look clean, it's amazing. But, you know, it don't take much to get dirty. But for me, I just feel like if you was going to wrap it something crazy. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, just something like a satin red, satin chrome blue, or that G-Wagon.
Getting in my head again.
Yeah, see, I gotta stop. But he slammed that joint and went crazy. I just wanted to show it to y'all because it's not the red eye, but it's the Hellcat Widebody with the red eye hood. I thought that was a pretty good option. He smoked the game with that joint, like, and then the fact that he lowered it that quickly, like, I mean, it's just gonna show you what kind of person Harry is. So now it's time to hop up in that 4x4 G-Wagon, man. Y'all ready for this? Ooh, wait, look at the 4x4 with the 2 on the thing, man. Ooh, wait, this is about to be a legendary video, man. Stay tuned for the review. It's coming up shortly, man. Probably the video after this one. Who knows, man? Getting so much content. LA, man, just content. Good Lord, I had to hop up in that thing like so. And now we're in here, man. Let's go ahead and start this joint up. And I'll holler at y'all. Oh, damn it, I'm embarrassed. Drop the damn key, man. This thing ain't got pushed start anyway. Harry, what's up with that, man? Sound good, though, don't it? Got the Benzo sign right there. How many we got on the dash? 160? Oh, damn. Type embarrassing, but type cool. Still legendary.